equipped, the 15-watt 3-amp Qi wireless charging pad provides a wireless charge for your Qi-enabled mobile phone. All vehicle doors must be closed and the engine must be running in order for the charging pad to operate. The wireless charging pad is equipped with an anti-slip mat to hold your mobile phone in place. Simply set the phone on the pad with the screen facing upward. The LED indicator light on the charging pad will let you know the phone is charging. A blue light indicates the device is detected and is charging. Having multiple applications open on the phone while charging will reduce charging efficiency and may even shut down an application that is currently running. The phone may shut down for a brief period of time if the phone starts to overheat. Your phone may have a feature to protect it from overheating, which could also affect the rate of charge. If your phone is not equipped for Qi wireless charging, you can purchase an aftermarket sleeve or specialized backplate from your mobile phone provider or from an electronics retailer. Please see your phone's owner's manual for more information. Be careful never to place your key fob on or within 6 inches or 15 centimeters of the wireless charging pad. Doing so may cause excessive heat buildup and could damage the key fob. Placing the fob too close to the charging pad will prevent it from being detected by the vehicle and prevent the vehicle from starting. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.